We've talked about promoting images a bit to help generate some backlinks, but here's another quick tactic you can use. Let's say you are a home painter. If you have great pictures of your work or houses, you can offer these images for free or even for paid if they're good enough in exchange for a backlink on a stock image site. Depending on the license you assign to the images as well, others may link back to you. This is one of the easier ways to get backlinks to your site through images. The downside here is you won't have a lot of control over where your image is placed and how it is backlinked, but nonetheless it is an option if you are looking for some quick wins here. What you can do is, if you would like to use an option like this, is to stick with some of the higher quality websites that have a higher page rank and that are more authoritative in the eyes of Google as well. And again, I will include a list of some of the options that you can use, whether you want to sell your stock photos, if you want to give away clip art, or if you want to create icons. This is really a great way to generate traffic and also a great way to get your backlink out there. If you post some of your work on some of these free sites, you can allow others to post your image on their site and it will generate another backlink for you. So you have the potential to not only get one really high authoritative backlink, but you can also get several other backlinks as well.